Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how you know if you have a bad fuel pump. So there's a few symptoms that you'll have. First of all, you want to make sure that you have a good battery and everything as you're starting the car. But I'll show you here. Sometimes it'll be hard starting as it is. Okay, so if you know that you for sure have fuel in the fuel tank, because sometimes you're just out of gas, the next thing I like to do, and you want to be careful of this, but I'll show you how I'm doing it, is use a little bit of starter fluid to get the car running. That way you know it is a fuel issue, not a spark or other issue. So all I've done is loosened up this area right here by the throttle body, and now you can just pop this off. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open the throttle body. See how it opens there? And while it's open, I'm going to shoot some of this fluid in here. Okay, so I don't know if you'll see this or not, but as I pull the throttle body lever down and it's open, I'm just going to spray some up in here. Okay, now it's inside the intake, so we're going to go ahead and close this back up. And take my screwdriver and screw this back down. So now it's started. I'm revving it up with the gas pedal here. But it's basically running off of the starter fluid only at this point. And so once that runs out, it will struggle. Now sometimes this is enough to get the car moving, and it'll run like this, but it'll run rough. And notice how as I'm giving it gas, it'll rev up a bit, but once I get to about 3,000 RPM, that's about all. Any more throttle than that and it can't stay alive. So this is how you know the fuel pump is bad, is you really have to pedal it just to try to keep it moving. So notice as I give it gas, it kind of cuts out. So I mean, it'll run and it'll idle here, but here's how you'll know the fuel pump is bad. As you start to give it gas, it just starts struggling. And once again, anything over about 4,000 RPM, it'll start to fall on its own. And you'll be adding gas and the RPMs will just fall. So this seems to have the car running now, but the fuel pump is very, very weak, and it's just not going to last long. I don't think I could even drive the car around the block. But sometimes it's enough to get it going for you, but you will know that you'll need a new fuel pump. Now, as I said, I like using the starter fluid because now I know for a fact it's not the inertia switch, it's not the fuel rail pressure sensor, it's not other items that could cause the car to not start. And I made a video on reasons why your car won't start, and I'll put that link in the description. But as you can see now, the car is running, it's on the fuel pump, but I'm just not confident that this fuel pump's gonna last very long. I mean, but this might be something that can get you home otherwise, but I'm pretty confident that this fuel pump isn't gonna last. Something else you can do is just pound on the fuel tank itself, and sometimes that gets the fuel pump to work momentarily, but you're looking at a new fuel pump eventually. And I also have a video on putting a new fuel pump in these Mustangs, and I'll put the link to that in the description as well. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. As you can see here, I'm going to need a new fuel pump. The car will run, but anything over about 3,000 RPM or so, it falls on its face. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.